Beautiful November 1st here in Campbell River. Helping Mommy make banana bread?
Yeah.
Boy. You helping Mommy wash the dishes?
Yeah. Well, we clean our dishes and
Thanks for your help. High five. Good. I'm gonna try to make dumplings. I'm just gonna let them cook. And I'm gonna put it all over my bread. You love your dumpling, don't you? I think Mommy should cut it. Can you bite it? Yeah, blow it. Good boy. That's kind of too big to put in your mouth. All right, so this will be from my hubby. He loves to eat. Oh, you ate all your food. That was a lot of food. I'm surprised you ate that all. You were hungry?
Yeah.
No.